Welcome to the MoneyWise Kids FinComic.
Today we're looking at Meta Platforms Inc., ticker symbol Meta, for fiscal year 2024. The company behind your Instagram, WhatsApp, and VR headset just made more money than most countries earn in a year. Revenue was $160.6 billion, net income was $63.1 billion, and year-over-year growth was plus 21.7%.
Let's break it all down in 6 panels. Panel 1, Meet the Social Media Boss. Meta Platforms is the tech giant that owns Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Threads, apps you probably open before breakfast.
They also build VR headsets and are betting big on the metaverse. With over 3 billion people using their apps daily, Meta is basically the world's biggest hangout spot.
Key fact: 3B+ daily users across Meta's apps. Think of it like, imagine owning the school cafeteria, the hallways, and the after-school hangout that's Meta's reach. Panel 2, Cash Register Goes BRRR.
In 2024, Meta pulled in $160.6 billion in revenue almost entirely from ads that brands pay to show you on Instagram and Facebook. Every time you scroll past a sponsored post, Meta earns a tiny slice of money, and those slices added up to a mountain of cash. Key fact: $160.6 billion in total revenue.
Think of it like, if your lemonade stand made $160 every second of every day for a whole year, you'd still be short. That's how massive Meta's sales are. Panel 3, Keeping Almost Every Dollar. Out of every dollar Meta earned, about 84 cents was gross profit, meaning the actual cost of running their services is shockingly low. After paying for everything including salaries, research, and taxes, they still kept $63.1 billion in pure profit. That's a 39.3% net margin, which is elite-level efficiency.
Key fact: $63.1 billion net income, 39.3% net margin.
Think of it like, it's like selling a $10 pizza where ingredients only cost $1.60, and after paying rent, staff, and everything else, you still pocket nearly $4. Wild margins. Panel 4, Growth Mode, activated. Meta's revenue shot up 21.7% compared to the year before. For a company this massive, growing that fast is like a 6-foot-tall basketball player having another major growth spurt. They did it by getting smarter with AI-powered ads and pulling more users into Reels and Threads. Key fact: plus 21.7% revenue growth year over year. Think of it like, imagine you already had the highest score in the class and then jumped another 20 points on the next test. That's Meta flexing on the competition. Panel 5, What does Wall Street think? Investors look at a company's price compared to its earnings to decide if it's a good deal, kind of like checking if concert tickets are worth the hype. While we don't have Meta's exact ticket price here, investors have been super excited because the profits keep climbing and AI is opening new doors. Key fact: profits nearly doubled from 2 years ago. Think of it like, it's like a concert where tickets keep getting pricier but people line up anyway because the show keeps getting better every tour. Panel 6, Why should you care? Meta's story shows how a free app you use every day can become one of the most profitable businesses on earth by selling attention. Understanding this helps you see that when you scroll, you're the product being sold to advertisers. That knowledge is power, whether you're a future investor, creator, or entrepreneur. Key fact: your attention equals Meta's $160.6 billion business. Think of it like, you wouldn't give away your lunch money for free, so start thinking of your screen time the same way. Your attention has real value. That's the Meta FY2024 FinComic report card. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to MoneyWise Kids for more financial comics every week. Remember, learning about money is a superpower. See you next time.